Hello everyone, my name is 49 Gamer. Welcome back to Rain World. We're finishing off with getting the Outer Expanse ending for the other slug for both Monk and for Survivor and Monk. I am gonna do a solo off-screen thing just to see if Monk actually works. So, yeah. Oh, I forgot to pull up my map. Hold on. I am lost as... Where did I last leave off at? I'm all the way down at Subterranean. And at S1. So I need to climb back up to the top. Once I'm out, I'll take this route here. Here to avoid creature spawns. I'll turn off the creatures, because I'm not gourmand and I don't need to go for the food quest. Honestly, as well, like, I've been watching, crud, what's his video? What's he called? Hold on. Cleveland, how do you pronounce it? Keelvin. And with PETA videos and stuff, honestly, I think PETA has gotten themselves in enough of fire. Oh yeah, I still have Rotund World turned on. And so, you should check his videos out. They're really good. Oh, Buzz Off Blind. I think I got all of them following me now. Absolutely. Also, I've encountered the Nemesis, like, 3 times, I believe, outside of some campaign, in a few campaigns. I wonder if I'll bump into him again. I will need to find more food. Where am I? I'm all the way up here. Here, as I went the totally wrong direction. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and hope that those blind lizards aren't there. Oh my goodness! That actually scared me. Come on, get up here. I'm also probably going to turn off deadly spears. It is just for gameplay purposes. He's just standing there. Thank you. Uh-huh. Oh, my keys were changed because I played with someone else off screen, and due to space and stuff being one of their used keys, I have to switch it back. Also, PETA apparently had a Minecraft server for some weird reason. Apparently it was griefed so badly that the server has apparently been privated, and apparently no one else has gotten access to it. And judging from the one video that I've seen that was mentioned in that video, was that it was very strict. Oh my goodness, where did that guy come from? Do those guys even spawn? They do spawn. And what is that RNG? I think he was scared by the light. Yeah, just climbing on by. They don't mind me. Please don't be chasing me. Yep. Why is there worm grass here? I hear a lizard. Oh, it's a pack! Oh, that's a bad thing. He went the way I needed to go. I'm using this just to speed through. Oh! Okay, I don't care what happened there. And game broke. Oh, never mind, it didn't. Okay, so let me go ahead and rebind my controls and back to what they were. And tweak some things. 100. Oh my. Man, I die a lot. I could probably go ahead and passage. Okay, let me look at the map. There does seem to be a closer travel point. I think honestly, you know, I'm just gonna just passage. Oops. -1. There we go. -3. I can't even lose food. Negative. Alright, I guess I'm starting to cycle for food pips. No. Oh, I don't think I've ever seen this passage screen before. Mainly due to the random slug pup that I had following me that one time. LF is Farmerays. I know there's a shelter nearby. Subterranean. And I know I slept at it. Yeah, right here. And I have more than enough karma. Anyways. I think I started wall sliding at the last second. Oh. Also, caramel lizards are very jumpy. I mean, I watched a video of a caramel lizard doing a backflip and dying in the process. Oh, that's an interesting one. Ow! I know Dragon Lord is mainly due to having a high reputation with lizards. And if that happens, if I do encounter... Actually, no, it won't matter for the Nemesis because of his natural... Because he's not affected by the reputation mechanic like all other lizards are. The centipede, get off me. I'm gonna go this way. They eat centipedes. Hey, buddy. Little guy, where are you? I don't see you. Here, have it, the centipede. That actually startled me. Oh, are you good, buddy? Oh, I think he's stuck in the ground. What was that? What was that? Hold on, let me help. Come on. Game. Oh, he's distracted by the centipede. You're not gonna get that centipede. Dude, you can trust me on that. Here, come on. Here, take it. He's angry now. He's angry now. You're not gonna eat this? I need to go back this way. I think he was actually trying to help me. judging by how he was shooting his tongue out. Why is he doing that? Hello, I need a bit of space. What are you doing, little guy? Where is he going? I think I might as well just use that opportunity to just to get. I'm trying. Either way, I'm probably not going to be fighting lizards that often. I'm probably going to take the time to actually try and raise my reputation with them. Because fighting them isn't really required, so I'll just avoid them for right now. I don't exactly know how to get down there. Oh, it's Outer Expanse can go to Subterranean? Okay. Wait, no, SU. I don't see any area with SU. Probably have to figure out a way to get there soon. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, now we have a save point at Subterranean, that's nice. Don't worry, I will turn back on enemy rando or monk. Okay, we will have to go down as I'm not dealing with those vultures. What creatures spawn here? Yeah, it's a vulture. Only one vulture? Huh. And hey, I don't think the Nemesis lizard spawns here, so we won't have to run the risk of encountering him. I will have to go down. Ow. But I have a good enough reputation with the scavs to where they won't be a problem. I'll descend downwards to avoid running the risk of dying to fall damage. I do want to try to get to this area here. Because I believe as well this area leads straight down here, judging by the looks of it. In fact, let me look to see what areas connect to it. Of course it passes by. Oop. I didn't mean to highlight. Hold on. There we go, fixed it. The only route I can take is if I take the long, if I just continue going my direction. How am I at 12? Oh, it's right here. I think it's safe down to drop. Whee. Yeah, right here. I also find it pretty hilarious if if the slug cats at the ending are actually replaced with, creatures at the end, and because that would actually be pretty hilarious. Oh, nowhere. I just saw that scab! See how high my rip with them is? It goes down, sure. But this is luckily enough the only scav tool I have to deal with. Hello. Here, take my stuff. You want it. Or take the rock, that works too. I was trying to be nice and give you my spears. But his inventory is full. And we got a new passage. We're right here. And I can actually take a route switch through this direction. I will probably get a shelter later. Oh, hello, 5 Pebbles. What brings you here? Appreciate your effort. Oops. That was embarrassing. Is there a safer route that I can take? No, there is not. Unless I'm willing to go through up there, which I might as well. Well, I will have to pass by the scavenger toll again. Honestly, I think I'll just dev tools my way past it because, yeah. Oh, hello. I'm gonna try and snipe 5 Pebbles. I merely sniped him just so the scav would, in hopes that would boost my reputation. Apparently not. So I could have just gone up here like this. At least here there's a lot more food. I think I'll go ahead and make my way to the EX shelter. Can you, come down here? No? Okay. There's water down below. I can just fall from here. Hello? Oh. Okay, so I guess that centipede is large enough to be classified as a threat, but it doesn't seem to want to attack me. It knows I'm here. I think I'm actually pretty close to it. I'm gonna go ahead and save at the EX shelter because it's pretty close. Oh, really? Buzz off! Oh, a karma flower. Oh, I'll have to crud. Alright, don't mind me, just, doing this. Oops. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna do that. because I'm not wanting to climb this. Wait, hold on. This is from the intro. It actually took me a few seconds to realize. That's actually a cool thing. It actually took me a few seconds to realize when the music started playing. That's actually pretty cool. How come I missed this when I was playing Gourmand? Oh my goodness. How did I miss this? That is actually a really cool Easter egg. I'm gonna let the music play. That's pretty cool. There's also this big old drop down here. How far does this go? I'm gonna descend carefully down, because I don't want to die to fall damage. Hello? Or is this just a death pit? Oh! Am I dead? Hello? 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 Oh, I'm unconscious. Yeah, I'm gonna DevTools myself. Oh, this area is actually larger than I expected it to be. I have the food pips anyways. Okay, so that means I can bank this area as a point I can travel to. Ew, that's cool, the intro's there. It does look like I will have to swim my way back up. Of course, how am I gonna get back? I probably have to... There is a gate there, here, it seems like. I mean, I won't have to quit out completely. But I guess during the storm, this place is completely filled with water. Or by the looks of it. I'm actually gonna backtrack backwards. Where it's to the save point, because I kind of want to hibernate here. So I could also just passage out of here. Ah! My finger. And I will just dev tools myself out. Like, there's no location in the game that starts off with SU. Oh, this is a one-way karma gate if you didn't have max. But max starting karma. Oh, hello, Moon. I almost called you Five Pebbles. Oh yeah, this place is completely flooded. This is supposed to be Spearmaster's intro. Oh, judging by the looks of it. Probably not gonna need food because I'm probably just gonna find a shelter and passage out of here. I don't recognize this location. I think we're around where Spearmaster once was. What was? So I'm not sure about this location. So I haven't been here yet exactly. And it doesn't say anything either. Oh, the blue fruit! Ooh. I'll give that to Moon when I get a chance. Is this outskirts? Because I can't tell. Wait, we're all the... That's actually cool! We actually ended up all the way back at outskirts. The same exact location that we start off from. That's actually really cool. Can we go back this way? Yeah, we can. That's actually really cool. I didn't know that's something that exists. I will casually just speed along. Hung here. Here, just to get to a shelter so I can passage back to outskirts. That is actually really cool. that is actually really cool. Well, sure, we're all the way back at Outskirts, but I have passages turned on. That is actually a really cool Easter egg. I like it. Oh, great. Game's gonna probably go ahead and crash. That's because it tries to select a passage that doesn't exist. But that's a cool Easter egg. I like it. Oh, yeah, never mind. It crashed right away. Not the shelter.